Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. After 4 years making content for YouTube, I've decided to create an off YouTube club. It is called Mark's House and Garden UK Club, and in this video I want to explain why I've set up a club off YouTube and what's in it for you. Now, this is not going to be a hard sell, that's just not my style, but I think there are lots of benefits for everyone, and I would love it if you could consider having a look. Now, over the last 3 years, whilst I've been living in my current property, which is Rose Cottage, I've been involved in lots of different gardening projects which I've delivered to you in videos on YouTube. This is one of them, the side border with the lollipop olive trees and the wind fence. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it slightly more interesting. Each one of the reasons why I've set the club up and each one of the benefits to you as a potential member. I'm going to shoot in a different area of the garden, which will serve as a reminder of some of the projects we've done together over the last 3 years. So why don't we start off this little video in the formal parterre, the boxwood parterre at the front of the cottage. This is the first big project I got involved with when I moved to Rose Cottage 3 years ago. The hedges I bought myself, and they were provided by a company called Hedges Direct, who were excellent. And that leads me in to the next point. Why have I set up a club? Well, having made several videos about this parterre, which I funded personally, I noticed that Hedges Direct adverts were popping up via YouTube next to my videos. So Hedges Direct were benefiting from me making videos about hedges indirectly. And of course I was being paid ad revenue by YouTube for those adverts. It occurred to me that there is an opportunity for you and I, viewer and creator, to collaborate with providers and get extra value. And how would we get that extra value? Well, companies will pay me a fee for making a video, providing they know there is an audience. You are the audience. They will also give me free products and discount codes and money off vouchers for you. So I think there's like a symbiosis of 3 different parties there. And if we can join it all together proactively, there's something in it for me, there's something in it for the company, and very importantly, there's something in it for you, the member. And I am going to be very transparent with you here. YouTube has become so big now that it's almost a full-time job, and I need to find ways of making it more sustainable. So the club is a kind of add-on to YouTube, taking it to the next level. And I have set up a separate limited company with a co-director, Gerri, who's going to deal with all the legal stuff and the data protection stuff. So it is all kosher and above board. But by growing the club off YouTube, I will be able to make YouTube more sustainable. And I will continue making YouTube videos. And I won't be pushing the club all the time, but it will be there running alongside YouTube. And I am now down by the wildlife pond, which is the second big project, which I delivered to you on YouTube. And this wildlife pond was supported very heavily by a company called pondkeeper.co.uk, who provided the liner and several of the pond plants. And that just supports this idea that if we collaborate with providers, there's something in it for all of us, and it allows me to carry on sustainably creating content whilst also having some fun with you members of the club. Now, this is my wildflower mound. It's gone past its best because we're going into winter. Underneath there is a subterranean hedgehog nesting box, and down here to my right is a hedgehog feeding station. I have hedgehogs. I know I've got hedgehogs because I have a wildlife trail camera. In fact, I have 3 wildlife trail cameras because 3 were sent to me by a company called Izeka, and 2 of them I'm giving away in my giveaway gift bundle. So that is another benefit for you as a potential member of my club. All the products that I get sent, I'm now asking for 2 or more of, so that I can demonstrate one and give one away. So if you join the club, you'll be entered into the monthly giveaway gift bundle draw, and we'll have lots of fun sending these products all over the country. And as the club grows, more product providers will come forwards and offer us more things. So it will be like a self-fulfilling prophecy. You'll benefit, I'll benefit, and the product providers will also benefit. So here we are now in my fernery. This is the coolest, dampest, darkest part of my whole garden. It's wonderful in here on a hot summer's day. Of course, we have our tree ferns. I think I've got 12 tree ferns in the garden. Lots of information on tree fern care on my channel, of course. Now, I have mentioned already that I've set up a separate company to do this, and I have a co-director called Gerri. Now, Gerri has extensive experience in running a limited company. There are quite a few obligations. There's also obligations around holding a database for a membership. So she's going to be in charge of GDPR, making sure we do all that correctly. And Gerri will also be member coordinator. So when you sign up, the first thing you'll get is an email from Gerri welcoming you aboard. And here we are now in my exotic tropical jungle border with tetrapanax and bananas. And I am about to protect these bananas for the winter. Aren't they impressive? Okay, so let me just run through a few of the other benefits you will get if you become a member of my new club. We've already spoken about the discount codes, the special offers, the free gifts and the giveaway gift bundle. That will happen every month. You'll also get a monthly newsletter and member-only exclusive content. Now, we are currently only doing this for the UK, and we are going to open it up worldwide. Just look at this amazing passion flower here. But for now, it's just UK subscribers, and that's one of the reasons why everyone won't be able to subscribe or join up just yet. That's why I will be carrying on with my standard content on YouTube. So please do not worry if you are a loyal supporter on YouTube. If for any reason you don't want to join my club, that's absolutely fine. I will still be making content on YouTube. Just look at this incredible plant over here. This is Tetrapanax rex. It's an incredible specimen. All that greenery has come on in 1 year. And in about a month's time, it'll all disappear because I'll be chopping it all down again for winter. Right. I hope I've given a reasonable explanation as to why I've created an off YouTube club. There is one other thing I wanted to tell you. For the last 2 years at least, YouTube has been trying to encourage me to create memberships on YouTube, and they want, or they suggest, that I should be charging £4 or £5 a month for memberships. And it would be all those things that I include in my off YouTube club. But I think I can do better. So I'm doing it for £2 a month, or if you're one of the first 1,000 to sign up, £1 a month, because founder members get a 50% discount. You also get a discount if you're not working or if you are above pension age in the UK. So that concludes this short video where I've explained why I've set up an off YouTube club and the benefits to you. But whilst I've got you, have a look at this. What do you think that is? That is the flower of Fatsia japonica, an evergreen plant with large leaves. Now, if you want to sign up, I will put the details of the website in the description box below this video. I hope it all makes sense, but if it doesn't, please feel free to ask me any questions. mark@markshousegarden.com, and I will get back to you. And no doubt a link will appear right now next to me on this screen for you to go and check out my new off YouTube club. I'll see you soon for some more off YouTube adventures. Bye for now.